She just doesn't look like somebody who I would have thought were a pro gamer. I didn't even know you could do it as a job.
When she was a little girl, she would watch me play. There was me, her and her sister all into gaming. We would constantly fight over the Wi-Fi. It would be lagging or whatnot. And she was always better than me, always, even from a young age.
I had to build my own computer, so very sort of cheap parts, anything that I could sort of get my hands on. And over the time I have upgraded them, so my PC is sort of faster and faster.
Before we met, we both used to play Call of Duty, and it turns out that we used to be in each other's games. We had no idea that she was Jupe and I was George.
Oh, she's really good at tech, so anything to do with computers is amazing because I'm absolutely rubbish.
A lot of people think like a professional gamer would be an individual, but to be in a team it takes 5-6 individuals.
You have to take care of each other, you have to look after each other, make sure everybody is well. It's professionalism, it's good communication.
You don't understand how strategic it is. Like when I hear her talking about it, it's not just like playing Call of Duty with your friends. They'll have like code words I ain't got a clue about, but they know exactly what they're on about.
We usually start off with some theory, going through strategies, looking at what agents we're playing, warming up your hands and your wrists, hyping yourself up before matches.
It is important that we do rest, reset, get away from screens.
Before I started playing professionally, George was the one who ultimately told me to quit my job because I was so depressed.
Before, she just weren't happy, so she'd work all day, come home and stream then later on. And it was just like grinding her down.
I've known her for ages, but when she first moved in next door, she was quite quiet and quite withdrawn. And I think she has just come into herself since she's been gaming, since she went pro.
When I'm at work, people say, oh, does she beat you? Meaning, does she beat you? But yeah, she does beat me.
I think gaming's made you be definitely more confident.
Gaming has helped me be a better parent, learning how to control emotions better and keep my cool under really tense, stressful situations.
She's doing excellent and she's come so far, and it's only gonna open doors to more opportunities. You know, she's been to the BAFTAs. Super proud moment for myself. Super proud.
I want to show my daughter that you can do whatever you want, no matter of your gender. You can do anything.
If she wants to do something, she'll do it. She's a strong woman and very good at shooting people.